High above the American heartland, the largest McDonald's burger factory awakens under a golden sunrise. Autonomous refrigerated trucks arrive in perfect formation, their cargo chilled to precisely -2 degrees Celsius. Robotic loading arms gracefully unload premium beef, fresh vegetables, and sesame seed buns in a synchronized ballet. Inside the intake bay, AI-powered scanners inspect every ingredient with laser precision and real-time quality data. Sanitized stainless steel tunnels glow with futuristic LED lights, guiding raw materials deep into the factory. Automated cranes zip through a hyper-modern cold storage chamber, stacking pallets beneath illuminated golden arches. High-pressure water jets and ultraviolet sterilization wash and disinfect fresh produce until sparkling clean. Beef cuts move toward automated grinding machines through a spotless hall of chrome and holographic control panels. Conveyor belts, robotic forklifts, and digital monitors work in perfect harmony across the entire production floor. A confident presenter in a red shirt steps forward, microphone in hand, discovering this marvel of food engineering. Inside the meat processing division, premium beef ribbons glide under AI scanners that detect any imperfection. High-speed robotic grinders transform whole cuts into finely textured meat with astonishing efficiency. Digital sensors and laser calibration ensure every batch meets the perfect 80-20 fat-to-lean ratio. Patty forming machines stamp out thousands of uniform burgers per minute, flawless in shape and weight. Freshly formed patties emerge onto cooling conveyors, their surfaces misted with chilled vapor for texture. Robotic arms arrange the patties into perfect grids as holographic monitors track quality in real time. Cryogenic flash freezing tunnels blast the patties with liquid nitrogen, locking in freshness and flavor. AI-driven scanners reject any imperfect patty, while approved ones continue seamlessly down the line. Synchronized machinery operates beneath golden arches embedded in the factory floor and walls. The presenter stands beside the patty line, admiring the precision of this automated beef ecosystem. Robotic arms transfer cooked patties to temperature-controlled holding belts to preserve doneness. Thermal imaging scanners verify every patty's core temperature, rejecting any that fall short. A sweeping crane shot reveals the entire grilling line glowing orange beneath the golden arches. Now the bun division, freshly baked sesame seed buns travel on spotless conveyors under warm golden light. Robotic arms sort and align each bun using AI vision to ensure perfect symmetry and orientation. Laser scanners measure height, diameter, and sesame coverage, rejecting any that don't meet standards. High-speed slicing machines cut each bun cleanly into 2 perfectly even halves. The presenter pauses at the slicer, watching the blades descend and retract with rhythmic precision. Bun halves enter infrared toasting tunnels, emerging golden browned in steaming moments later. Microdosing butter applicators spray a fine, even mist on every toasted cut surface. Quality cameras inspect each bun for toasting uniformity and butter coverage, removing defects. Thousands of toasted buns move in synchronized rows toward the assembly area. The presenter points the way as the bun line merges seamlessly with the patty and topping stations. Inside the futuristic assembly division, robotic arms place bottom buns onto the main conveyor in perfect rows. Hot grilled patties are lowered precisely onto each bun, centered with millimeter accuracy. Cheese dispensers lay softened slices onto the patties where they instantly begin to melt. High-speed robots add lettuce, pickles, onions, and a signature sauce zigzag in cinematic sequence. The presenter stands amid the topping robots, marveling at the speed and precision. Top buns descend from an overhead conveyor, sealing each burger in flawless alignment. Holographic sensors create 3D scans of every burger, checking height, ingredient placement, and appeal.
A slow-motion shot captures 3 assembly lines working in perfect sync, steam rising like fear fog. Robotic quality arms gently test burger stability, removing any that feel unstable. The assembly hall stretches into the distance, thousands of burgers moving under glowing golden arches. Finished burgers enter the quality control tunnel, where metal detectors and X-ray machines scan for foreign objects. A real-time X-ray image reveals every internal layer, ensuring nothing but pure ingredients. High-resolution cameras check external appearance, flagging any sauce seepage or misalignment. A robotic swab touches every 100th burger for rapid microbial testing. Results appear in seconds. The presenter observes the swabbing process, nodding at the rigorous safety measures. Hygiene monitors display airborne particle counts and surface cleanliness, all well within limits. Robotic floor scrubbers and UV drones maintain sterility, gliding silently between production lines. Final checkwares and infrared thermometers verify each burger's weight and core temperature. A massive statistical dashboard shows defect weights below 1/10%. The presenter stands before the dashboard, proud of the flawless quality metrics achieved today. Burgers now flow into the packaging division, split among 6 high-speed packaging machines. Robotic arms place each burger into a branded red and yellow box centered on a paper liner. Sealing machines wrap every box in clear film, heat sealing the edges for an airtight finish. Sealed boxes merge onto a main belt, sliding in slow motion with steam wisps rising from vent holes. The presenter touches a passing box, feeling its warmth before gesturing toward the palletizers. Inspection arches verify seal integrity, label placement, and box orientation before any palletizing. Robotic palletizers stock boxes in precise 5-layer grids, 200 boxes per wooden pallet. A panoramic shot shows all 6 packaging lines working in parallel, a river of red and yellow. Conveyor belts carry finished pallets toward cold storage as robotic forklifts take over. The presenter follows a pallet into the icy cold storage chamber, where thousands of pallets are stacked 40 feet high. Overhead cranes and laser-guided forklifts retrieve and store pallets with millimeter precision. Digital monitoring panels display real-time temperature, humidity, and inventory for each zone. A robotic depalletizer breaks down pallets, sending individual boxes onto high-speed sorting conveyors. The presenter watches boxes zip into 8 different lanes, each bound for a different region. Cold storage robots move in a choreographed ballet, lifting and placing pallets without pause. The camera sweeps across 4 temperature zones, each with its own color lighting and golden arches. A single box is tracked from depalletizer to outbound palletizer, a journey of just a few minutes. Robotic forklifts lift reassembled pallets into waiting trucks, the last stop before departure. At sunrise, a convoy of refrigerated trucks departs the factory, their logos catching the golden light. Automated gates open smoothly as RFID sensors read each truck's identity and destination. Inside each truck, robotic strapping arms secure pallets with heat-sealed bands and foam dunnage. Drivers check GPS-linked dashboards that display optimal routes and real-time cargo temperatures. The presenter stands at the gate, watching the trucks roll out with a sense of mission accomplished. A camera drone tracks a truck along the industrial road, sunlight glinting off its chrome grille. Trucks exit in sequence, while inside the factory, cranes and forklifts never stop moving. A wide aerial view shows the entire distribution yard, loading docks busy beneath a massive Golden Arches sign. Drivers give a thumbs up to automated kiosks that verify cargo integrity before departure. The entire fleet merges onto the highway, bound for cities across America as the factory fades into the distance.
From coast to coast, the refrigerated convoy spreads out, each truck heading to a different state. Behind the scenes, the central logistics hub tracks every mile, every delivery window, every temperature reading. The factory never sleeps. Even as trucks depart, new ingredients arrive for the next production cycle. Billions of burgers have rolled off these lines, each one identical, each one perfect. The presenter walks back toward the factory entrance, taking one last look at the departing fleet. What started as raw beef, fresh produce, and sesame buns has become a symbol of consistency worldwide. From the grinding room to the grilling line, from the assembly robots to the quality scanners, every step is a masterpiece of engineering. This is not just a food factory, it is a symphony of automation, precision, and scale. The next time you bite into a McDonald's burger, remember the incredible journey it took to reach you. And that is how billions of burgers are made inside the largest McDonald's factory in the USA.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.